Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Aaron. This is episode 7 of the DIY Build Your Own SUP series. If you're new to my channel, I'm offering a set of free plans which I've designed using the hull design platform, available for anybody who wants to join me along in the build process and build their own. Already Peter, a fellow Aussie here in Australia, is building his own, and he's as up to date in his build as I am here on mine. So awesome work, Peter. I've got an existing SUP which is a 10 foot by 29 foot by 4 inches thick, and I've put them side by side. I want to see just how big this SUP's going to be. It's 12 foot long, it's 31 inches wide, so it's 2 foot longer than my existing one and an inch wider either side. So it gives a really good comparison to see just how big this SUP's going to be. In this episode, I'm going to trim down the excess wood from the hull to the side panels joint with my planer, and then hit that with some 120 grit on my orbital sander. And that means I can get it ready for fiberglassing. My fiberglass has arrived, I've ordered that, it's on a big roll. In my next episode, I'm probably going to show you guys how I'm going to set up an apparatus so I can have that over the board and I can just roll out the fiberglass as I need it. Also in this episode, I've installed the lower frame. So I've designed the lower frame, I've cut them all out on the bandsaw and then glued them all into position using some thickened epoxy and also some small strips of fiberglass to really reinforce that joint and make it strong. So let's get started. And as I said, the first thing is trimming the hull sides with my planer. So here it is. Where's the boat? Huh? Where's the boat? So here's where we're up to now. You can see all of those lower frames all glued in, and you can get a really good idea there of the join, which has a layer of fiberglass embedded into the thickened epoxy. So that's certainly not going anywhere. It's provided a bunch of rigidity to the structure. The bottom is now supported to the top, and that's throughout. You can see all those lower frames in position there, all glued in. I did this a couple of days ago now, so that's nice and hard. The epoxy's gone really hard, so really happy with how sturdy the board feels. All right, guys, that's it for episode 7. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate everybody who's getting behind the channel, who are downloading the plans, who are subscribing and liking the videos and sharing them as well. So please keep it up. It means the world to me. It lets me know that people are actually interested to see what I'm doing here. Don't forget, if you want to get a copy of the plans, here's what they look like. There's, I think from memory, there's 5 sheets, and it details everything you need to know about the frame positions, and all the plotting measurements for the frames, and the hull bottom, the keel, and the hull side as well. So if you want a copy of those plans, just shoot me an email and I'll reply back with the plans, and they're yours. And in case you're wondering, yes, I did have a haircut. Here in Australia we call that losing a fight with a lawnmower. It's short, but summer's coming, so hopefully it keeps me nice and cool. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. In the next episode we're going to be trimming down, ready to put the deck on, as well as the deck support stringers. And after that, it's just fiberglassing and pretty much done. So really excited. Only a couple more videos to go, and that's it. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. In this episode, I'm going to trim the hull and the hull. In this episode, I'm trimming the hull. In this episode, I'm trimming the hull. Trimming the hull down at the hull side connection. In this episode, I'm going to trim down the hull